Hi friends, welcome back. Miss Walker here and Monkey the Mathematician, and we are here to do Module 6, Lesson 2. So let's jump right into it. I'm going to share my screen with you. All right, repeat after me for our I can statement. Say, I can solve word problems when both addends are unknown. Good job. And we're going to say part 2 is, say it with me, say, I can represent the problem with objects, drawings, and equations. Awesome. So if you need to, you can go ahead and pause the video to do this page with your homeschool teacher. We are going to move on to the Build Your Understanding page. All right. So on this page, let's go ahead and read the question. So it says, Raul and John have 14 books altogether. How many books could each boy have? So we know the total. What's the total? Yes, it's 14. Let's circle it. Oops. And are there any key words? Yes, altogether is a key word. It helps us know that's how many they have altogether. Let's underline the question. How many books could each boy have? Awesome. So it says, how can you show the problem and a possible answer? So friends, first of all, what is this problem asking us to do? Yes, to figure out how many books Raul has and how many books John has. That's right. So how can we use a concrete model to solve? Yes, if you wanted to do counters, that would be great. So let's go ahead and start by drawing some counters. And we're going to use 14 total counters. So at some point, we're going to have to switch our color so we can have one set of books for Raul and one set of books for John. So can you guys help me count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's switch our color. So let's now start making John's book. So let's switch to yellow. Now we're only on 6, but how many books do they have all together? Yes, 14. So we have to keep counting till we get up to 14. So what comes after 6? 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Awesome, friends. So this is my little 10 frame that I did right here. So I'll just put a little box around that so it's easier to see, a little rectangle. There we go. So friends, looking at our drawing, how many books did Raul have? So we did his first in red. Ready? Can you count with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So Raul had 6 books. And then remember, we switched the color to represent John's books. How many books did John have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. John had 8 books. So we know that 6 plus 8 equals, what's the sum? How many did they have all together? Yes, they had 14. Awesome. So friends, let's use some words to explain our answer. So Raul, how can you use words to explain your answer? So we could explain that Raul could have 6 books and John could have 8 books. Together, they have, how many did they have all together? Yes, they have 14 books together. That's right. Part C says, how can you write an equation to prove that your answer is correct? So I know we already did it up here, but let's talk about it. How can we write an equation to prove that the answers we chose, how can we prove it? How can we write an equation? Yes, we can write how many Raul had plus how many John had to get our total. So how many did Raul have? Yes. And how many did John have? Yes. And how many did they have all together? Yes, they had 14. That's right. All right, time to turn and talk. Oh, Monkey, I love that. You always want to turn and talk. So what could be another answer for this problem? Oh, okay. Monkey said there's so many other answers that maybe the kids at home could write the answers down. Okay, but Monkey, do you have one to get us started? Okay, he said 13 plus 1 equals 14. Awesome, Monkey. High five. And then friends at home, I think he has a great idea. Can you think of another 2 addends that you can add together that will give you the sum of 14? You can go ahead and think of a couple more problems, a couple more equations. So if you can, go ahead and pause and you can talk to your homeschool teacher about some equations that equal 14. Some addends you can add together to get 14. Welcome back. Did you guys think of any at home? If you said you thought of a doubles fact, awesome. 7 plus 7 is 14. Do you have any others? Yes, 12 plus 2. All these awesome ideas. Any others? Yes, 10 plus 4. I love it. Great job, friends. So friends, we are going to move on to the next page. So if you still need anything on this page, you can pause the video now and meet us on the next page when you're ready. All right, we're going to keep moving ahead here. It says, Jill has 17 pieces of fruit. She has pears and kiwis. How many of each could she have? So, oh, you want to circle 17. I love how you want to get us ready to solve it. And any other keywords? Yeah, that she has pears and fruit. So we can put a box around pears. Pears and kiwis. We can put a box around that because we know that that number 17 represents the pears and the kiwis. How many of each could she have? So friends, we have to show the problem. So first of all, let's think here. What do you guys want to do? Yeah, we're going to draw. I love that. So for our drawing, let's go ahead. I'm going to use green to represent the pears. And we know we have to get up to 17 pieces total. So after we draw, a certain amount, we're going to have to switch to draw the kiwis. After we draw a certain amount of pears, we're going to have to draw the rest of them kiwis. So can you count with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Am I done? No, we still have to go. Remember, they had 17 pieces of fruit, so we still have to go, or we still have to draw. So should we switch our color? Yeah, let's switch to kiwis. So what comes after 10, friends? 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. And I love to just get my little 10 frame on there to make it so clear. 10 frame. Awesome. So friends, looking at this problem, how many pears did we draw? Yes, we drew 10 pears because we know that whenever we fill up a 10 frame, that's 10, right? And how many kiwis? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 kiwis. Awesome. So now we have to write an equation to prove our answer is correct. So how many pears were there, friends? Yes, that's right. There were 10. How many kiwis? That's right. There were 7. And how many altogether? Yes, there were 17 altogether. Great job. Time to turn and talk. How would your model change if Jill had one more pair? Oh, great. Thank you, Monkey. Great explanation. So Monkey said that the add-in for the number of pairs would be one more. Oh, he wants me to write it to show you guys. Okay, it would be one more. So instead of 10, it'd be one more, 11. And he said that the add-in for the kiwis would have to be one less. So instead of 7, it would be, what's one less than 7? Yes, it would be 6. Awesome. So that is how our numbers, our model would have to change, right? If we had one more pair, we'd have to have one less kiwi to have our add-ins still add up to 17. Well, friends, you did so awesome. It's time for you to do check your understanding and then the on your own section. So I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Keep up the great work and I'll see you next time.